So guys, I found this random coordination and it's pretty odd. It teleports you like into the sky, but in the sky is like water. That's what happened to me. Maybe it'll happen again. I don't know. Let's try. First, let's see what happens. Let's play God. You realize I'm a god? I'm a flip that slob. So we just have to go into toolbox. So you can go to actual Minecraft. I was actually kick up voltage. I'm gonna hit Lenum. Guys, so now we're here. It's loaded in. This is the coordinates. So slash TP. Write 2999. Make sure you write 9 7 times. 999 9 80 and then 999 999. Random just happened. Where am I? Hello? What? I'm in the ocean? Bedrock? What? 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 No clip on it. It's easy through. What is happening? It's glitched. Go to the very top. Am I going down or up? Definitely going up. Wait, what the? The water's floating? And that's bedrock? Wait, what is happening, guys? What is this? This is so odd. Please leave a like and tell me if you know what this happens. So, please, and I want to try one more. Sorry, 660. Looks like nothing happened. So yeah, I'm gonna try to write that. Well, just so odd. The sky, that's why it happened. It's creepy about it. So yeah, bye guys. Hope you have a great day. Peace and hope you enjoy. Bye bye. Also, I'm gonna upload more gameplay. So I made like a thing for my dad. It's his birthday. Let me show you real quick. So guys, it's my dad's birthday, as you see. So like, happy birthday. That's all. He did fireworks in here, but as you can see, they ran out already. So yeah, I put fireworks. Super sick. Happy birthday, Daddy. So yeah, it was his birthday, and I had a joke, and I also pranked him. He actually thought there was no present. I wrote, sorry, there's no present, and he actually got filmed. Now I'm actually gonna show you guys how to like charge a respawn. Seriously, I don't care about people. Who gets charging? This is how you charge a respawn. Get glowstone and then tap it. But don't crouch well. So again, if you want that thing, and also I'm also gonna make houses for you guys to learn how to see. Why are you guys in there? Or whatever. And also, hope you have a great day right now. I'm gonna show you guys one more thing. If you don't know how to power up a beacon, you have to use this one from all these, and then get this, and also get any ore you want. Gold, emeralds, diamonds, and iron. So what you do is make a 9 by 9. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 beacon in the middle of it, as you see. So once you do it, press the beacon, tap on it, put diamond, press, and you will also put netherite. And you guys probably wondering how to get like a little bit higher. Oops. Like, oh no. So what you do is break the beacon. And this will make it do this, do this, do this. As you can see, I got this. I'm doing it. So you can guys try it by yourself as to do it, and I have to almost go to bed. This morning. So yeah. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye. Yeah, now I can finally do something. Even though I like recording. Dun, 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 dun. By the way, I know I'm still recording, so don't worry, I know I'm recording. This respawn anchor. Guys, I'm also going to show you something else. Sorry. I know, I'm a noob. Like a little noob. Actually, I don't want to show anything because I have nothing else to show. Okay, bye bye. And I can't do it. If you don't know what this is, you have to get a compass. And then, example, if you can't find your beacon, and then your compass shows your respawn. So what you do is press on this, press on the lodestone. As you see, I got this lodestone compass. It actually points where the lodestone is. So if you want to find your house, you just put the lodestone in and press this compass, not this one. Put this one, touch the lodestone, and then you get this, and you can see where the lodestone is. Okay guys, I hope you have a great day. Bye. Oh god, I want to stop recording.